Model, 66-plate Land Rover Discovery Sport ULEZ spares OR repairs turbo simple fix bargain smiling face. Body, red, estate. Mileage, 78,218. MOT, the 17th of September 2024. Engine, 1999 CCTD for 180 EU6A. Transmission, 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% all good, gearbox and clutch all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, cruise control, reversing camera, air-con, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401